everyone, my name's Linda and this is my crochet nook. On Sunday Rick took me to Black Sheep Wools here in Warrington, which is my local yarn shop, and today I'm going to share with you my yarn haul, what I bought. And first thing I bought was this pattern book, and it's knitted, but I've got an idea on kind of, they've got the diagrams on how to make them, and I paid £1 for that. And there are, let me see how many I can show you some of the, so there's that one, and then there's them. Now these are knitting patterns, but what I thought was, because of the diagrams and the way they are, I could crochet them. That's something that I want to do. And then there's them. So that's what, look at them. Isn't that lovely, that shrug? Really nice. So there's quite a few in here. And that. So as you can see, there's quite a few patterns. Again, that. And I might even knit one as well. So yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 patterns. So that was £1, and I'm really delighted with that. And then they had kind of like a room which had just bargain, and I was able to get this Sublime Baby Cotton K-Pop DK. It is by Sublime Yarns. I've not heard of them before, but I only, for 50 grams, UK 8, US 6 knitting needle, and a 4mm or a 5 hook. So I got 10 of them, so that is enough to make a sweater, a cardigan, a shrug. So the colour, they don't have the colour name, but isn't it nice? I really like that colour, it's really nice. So I've got 10 of them, 10 50-gram balls. And as I said, they had sheep cheese yarn, and they had patterns as well, sheep cheese. And there's this one, which is, as you can see, it's a shawl, and it's made with, so there's the shawl, and it is made with the Chevier's wool, the cotton and acrylic yarn. So, and there's all the colours of the yarn. Oh my gosh, you should, there was about 1, 2, 3 walls of the different styles of yarn. And this is crocheted, so I got that one. I didn't get the yarn for that one, but I got the yarn for this one. And can you see the flowers? I only paid £1 for this, and that is the shawl. There, can you see the flowers? And I actually bought the yarn for this. So I bought this. This is the Sun Kissed, and it's it hasn't got a name, but I've got the Sun-Kissed in the blue. So I had to get 5 of them, and these are 50-gram balls, are they? Yeah, 50-gram balls, 170 meters, crochet hook 3, and but do you know what I like about Showgies is the easy pull, and you know I've got quite a bit of this. If I can find where I've put it, and it's cotton. So, and you know that is my favorite yarn, the cotton. So I'll show you the colours that I got to go with it. So I had to have 5 of these, and then I had to have a blue in the cotton 8, which is 170 meters, and again it's a 3mm hook, and I needed 2 of the white in the cotton 8. So they're what I'm going to use to make that shawl. And then I treated myself. These again were in the discounted, and this is a Stylecraft yarn, and it's linen drape. I've never used linen before, and it's 70% viscose, 30% linen, 185 meters, and how many grams are there? There's 100 grams in this, and this is called wheat. And then I got, this is called denim, again the same, and so they're to make something else with. And then last but not least, I got some, so I bought myself a tape measure. I've not got one of these, so I thought, you know, I need, because you know what the others are like, and you wrap them and that. So I got myself a tape measure, and then I got 3 coasters, and so it's got that one which reads, "It's always time to crochet," "Hooked on crochet," and then the Happy Hooker. And so I got them, and I'm going to keep one of them, and I think 2 of them I'm going to use in my giveaways. So that's my yarn haul from Black Sheep Wools here in Warrington. They do send overseas. I'll put all the links in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed. I certainly enjoyed my trip to my local yarn shop on Sunday. And that's it from me for today. All I can say is stay safe, have a fabulous day, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye bye for now.